Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can hide sender name in Telegram. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. And if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now, without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Telegram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, just choose the message you want to send. So let me just go with this one and then choose any of the message. Just go to this forward option and just choose the person you want to forward it to, and on this send option just press and hold, and you will be having option which says show sender name and hide sender name. From here just choose hide sender name, and then once you choose it, now just send message. Now the message will be sent and the message will not have the name and it will hide the sender's name. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.